Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 208 in the Allure specification. So we've taken this car in part exchange. It's got a full service history. It also comes with 16-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows and reverse parking sensors. Inside the car, the touchscreen features DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay and Bluetooth. On top of this you get air conditioning, automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control. The car is only £20 a year to tax. So let's have a look around. It's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. It's done under 28,500 miles. We provide the car with 12 months warranty and roadside assistance. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.